So dear students, before I start teaching you the numericals, once again I would like you to just go through the universal law of gravitation. We will just derive the equation, we will derive the formula, and then we will try to solve the numericals. So let us begin from here. As you know, consider the two bodies M1, M2. Okay, two bodies of M1 and M2 with their masses in kilograms. Okay, and let the distance between their center be r. Okay, so according to the universal law of gravitation, it states that every object in the universe will attract the another object with some force, and that force is directly proportional to the product of their masses, and it is inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. So let us begin. Suppose consider the force between these two objects will be, it is directly proportional to, force is directly proportional to product of their masses. Let's give this as equation number 1. Then if you see, the same force is inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. Give this as equation number 2. Okay, now combining equation 1 and 2 we get, क्या मिलेगा हमें, force is directly proportional to m1 into m2 upon r square. ठीक है, यहाँ तक कोई भी डाउट नहीं होना चाहिए आपको. Okay, I hope you have understood till here. After combining equation 1 and 2 we get force is directly proportional to m1 m2 upon r square. Okay, and when we remove this proportionality sign, we put equal to, force is equal to m1 into m2 upon r square, and we give one constant, that is g, and this is the gravitational constant. Okay, now we have to find out the value of g. Now if you have to find the value of g, the formula will become g is equal to, g will be equal to, this will go this side, it will multiply, and these two are in the numerator, so it will go that side and it will come in the denominator, so m1 into m2. Okay, so this is the formula for gravitational constant. Now what about their SI unit? Now how to find SI unit? Now SI unit will be, now see, g is equal to, force SI unit is Newton multiplied by distance we measure in meter, so it's square, meter square, divide by product of masses we calculate in kilogram, so kilogram multiplied by kilogram will be kilogram square, or you can write Newton meter square kilogram to the power minus 2. Okay, and let me clear one thing here. Force, F is equal to force, we calculate in Newton, m1 m2 masses we calculate in SI unit kilogram, then r is distance we calculate in meter. Okay, so this was very important thing before we proceed further to solve the numericals.